we're filming a physical test. We're filming now. Anay, watch Min Jeopardy on your phone. Watch it. Are we live yet?
Yes, we are.
And then last but not least is Alexis Pond. Alexis is our current board president, Human Community Service Board President. She's been volunteering since 2015. Her first community service was with the Student Conference 17. She also manages a lot of our social media here at Human Community Service, and she's just been doing a lot of wonderful things in our community. So we are grateful to have her as a board president, and thank you for all that you do. So with that introduction, I'm going to kick it over to Susan, and she'll kind of explain the rules a little bit so that you at home can know what's going on and you guys can play along. And then let's root for our players. So good luck, players.
All right, thank you, Cal, for that wonderful introduction.
You're welcome.
All right, so Jeopardy. So for those who have never seen this before, this is actually a Jeopardy game that we played with our language students here at Human Community Services. So we taught them all these terms and articles, and now we're utilizing it for our Jeopardy game night with our board members as well as our volunteers, and see how well everyone else does. So the ground rules is you pick a category and a number, and then after that, if you answer the question wrong, you will lose points. If you answer it correct, you'll gain the point. Now, if you answer it wrong, another player has the opportunity to steal that point by yelling out their name. We don't have a buzzard here, so yell out your name, and the one I hear first will then get the chance to answer the question and get a chance to win those points. Now, we don't have double Jeopardy, but we will have a final Jeopardy. So, just because someone's in the lead throughout the game does not mean they will win the game. You can wager up to 100% of what each player has, or each player can wager up to 100% of what they have racked up on the current board in Final Jeopardy. So players, make sure you have a pen and paper or a marker and paper ready, so that way you can write the answer and then just show it to us on Final Jeopardy. All right, how are you guys feeling? You guys ready to play? Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. And again, just to reiterate what Cal was saying, we do want our viewers to be involved. We do have prizes. Michael Seeley is so great, gracious enough to give our viewers prizes tonight. So Michael, go ahead and share with us what you have for us.
All right. Thank you, Susan. So guys, welcome to tonight's show. I'm Michael Seeley, and tonight we're going to be giving away some of these free goodies. Now, these are 20-ounce tumblers. They're like the same quality as Yetis. They're double wall, and they keep your stuff super ice cold. So it comes with the lid, and this is not even available on our website yet, so you guys are going to be able to get one of these. You can have this color. It's in white, midnight blue. It's got Baong written on the bottom. Or you can have the other one here in black. And when we ship this to you, it'll be brand new. So we'll be sending you your own custom. Okay? So you can pick from this, the dark one, or this one. Yep. So those will be the prizes tonight. Your choice, one or the other. We'll be giving 2 of those away.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Michael, for that. So make sure you guys vote for who you think will win. You will have up until before we play our Final Jeopardy round to submit your votes through chat. And we'll capture that data. And for whoever you vote for that wins the game, those viewers will be able to be entered in the drawing for a chance to win these tumblers. All right, players, are we ready to do this?
Oh, one last thing. Quick, right here, guys, if you're on the YouTube, because I see a lot of people on YouTube, but you guys aren't on the live chat. So if you're on your phone app, click on the little top corner right here and click live chat, and you'll join us for the live chat. You guys can talk to us and interact with us, okay? So be sure to click that button right there and to say live chat. So there it is.
Thank you, Michael. Michael is our technical expert at this and volunteering his time to help host this and get this organized. So thank you so much, Michael. So if you guys are sending me any comments, I'm not going to see it. My phone is about to die. So, just shout out one of the players if you guys see something. But let's get started. Okay, so we don't have the Jeopardy sound. I don't know if one of y'all want to sing it. But we'll go ahead and get started. So we'll start with with Kid. So Kid, go ahead and pick a category and a number.
Okay, 500 for numbers.
500 for numbers. How do you say 10,989 in Myanmar?
What is Diệp Tin Chua Pe Pe Chua?
That is correct. What is 15? Good job. All right. Another category and a number.
In-laws for 500.
In-laws for 500. As a husband, your older sister-in-law's husband. What do you call your older sister-in-law's husband?
Who is Boy?
Who is good? That is correct. Okay, another category and a number.
Numbers for 400.
Numbers for 400. How do you say 9,999 in Myanmar?
Ooh,
What is Chua Tin Chua Pe Chua Chua?
That is correct.
that's a tongue
I
twister.
love this one because it's a tongue twister. All right. Okay, another category and a number.
Articles for 500.
Articles for 500. What is the article that describes something that has a handle?
What is Bang?
That is correct. What is bang?
What?
Okay, another category and a number.
Immediate family for 500.
Immediate family for 500. As a boy, what do you call your great grandpa?
Who is Ong Thai?
That is correct. Who is Ong Tai?
Dang, kid, save some for us.
Yeah, just, no, go ahead, just finish it.
Let me see. Body parts for 500.
Body parts for 500. How do you say liver in Mien?
What is Pan?
That is correct. What is pan? Okay, category and a number.
Body parts for 400.
Body parts for 400. How do you say kidney in Mien?
What is Nhut Say?
Yeah, that's correct. It's either, I guess there's translation differences between let's say and say, but I think it's the same thing. I think we had that conversation, Michael, the other day.
Yeah.
With
Yep.
Cal. Yeah. So I'll say yes. All right,
Okay.
category and a number.
What is let me see. Articles for 400.
Articles for 400. Okay, what is an article used to describe a man-made object such as cars, airplanes, etc.?
What is Tia?
No, that's incorrect.
It's got a man-made example. Michael?
Michael?
Lut?
No. So you're not describing the car or translating the car.
Oh,
It's
okay.
an article to describe, like you would say, I went into a car as an example, or I went on the airplane. But what is that the article described in Mien?
This is a tough one.
Alexis?
What
No.
is done?
What'd you say?
What is done?
Jen? Or
Yeah.
Ja?
This is a tough
Yeah,
one.
one of those, yeah. What is,
Kid, back to you. Come on, kid, guess. We need you to guess 3 times.
This one, it's
Like you
What
would
is-
say
what is Tia?
the sentence, right? It's in a sentence. So you would say
Oh,
yep what, but you'll say yep what blank tia, like yep what yet blank tia.
Vietnam Tia.
Oh,
All right. So no, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and reveal the answers. You guys ready for that?
Yeah, this is tough.
Okay. Ja. Yep what yet.
Wow.
Ja.
Oh, yeah, okay.
ja. That is hard.
That was hard.
That was extremely hard.
Okay. So that was kid, right?
Yeah.
I think this kid missed it. Let's pass it to the next player so they can sort more.
All right, here we go. Here's the come up.
With that, we'll move on to Michael then.
We want a chance. We want a chance. Some of the
Here we
voters,
go.
Michael and Alexis.
Yep, I'm coming up. Here we go. We're gonna start with in-laws 100, please.
In-laws for 100. As a husband, your wife's younger brother.
Now, what is now?
Who is now?
Oh, who?
Okay, Mike.
Numbers 100, please.
Numbers for 100. How do you say 128?
That is you bet and you tip bet.
That is correct. What is you bet need to bet? Bet. All
Alright,
right. Category and a number.
Let's go to body parts 100, please.
Body parts for 100. How do you say hands in men?
What is boy?
Yes, that is correct. What is cool? All right. Category and number.
Immediate family for 100, please.
Immediate family for 1. As a boy, what do you call your dad?
That also depends on. I think if you're northern or south. For us, we call it there. Some people they call them gol.
That's correct. In this particular case, we'll say who is there. That's correct. All
Hey.
right, you're no longer in the negative.
Hey, didn't Alexis have a negative though?
Should we give her that negative?
We got to even it out. I had to come from the negative. So
I forgot what was it. Was it four? It was 400.
yeah, it was 400.
It was the articles. Hold on. Okay.
I'm never gonna get out of the negatives now.
All right. I might just slip up on this next one. I'm gonna challenge it. The articles are the hardest one, so I'm gonna try it. Articles 100.
Articles 100. What is used to describe humans or people?
Jan. What is Jan?
Humans.
Humans.
Yeah, humans. Would
Mien?
you call yourself a Jen?
Oh, okay. Mien. What is mien?
Not quite. So we're looking for the article, not the noun, but the article.
Like one person? Yatao or something?
Right. You're on the right track. So that would be an example of an article.
Someone, if you know it in the comments, type it out.
Oh, this one is hard. I remember going into this one.
Okay.
This,
Well,
yeah, this one, there's a little bit of a controversy on this term just because some people agree with it, some people don't. So again, I'm just going based off our language instructor's teachings, and so this is what he taught our students. So if you think you know it, put it in the comments below. Maybe our players can take a peek and give it a try.
Alexis.
I'll pass on to Alexis.
Okay, Alexa.
Okay, let me add another negative to my my point tally. What is Nguyen?
That's incorrect.
There you go.
we got more
Alright.
people
I
joining.
think it's Lan Mien. Lan Mien.
Yeah, Lan.
That's
Lan?
Oh, but you're not playing, so but that is correct.
Ooh,
The answer is what is lawn?
that is hard.
I think everyone pretty much gave up. So
Yeah, I gave up now too.
Yeah, so what is lawn? So you would say Yalan Mien. All right. Should we move on to Alexis then?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, Alexis.
oh,
Category.
Alexis, Team Alexis here.
Please don't come for me, people. I don't know me that well. Okay, in-laws for 200, please.
In-laws for 200. As a wife, my husband's older brother. What do you call him?
What is doll? Or who is doll?
That's incorrect.
Kid.
All right, kid.
Who is fat?
That is correct. Who is fat? Okay, we're going back to kid. Category and
All
number.
right. Immediate family for 400.
Immediate family for 400. As a boy, what do you call your younger sister?
More. Who is more?
That is correct. Who is more? All right. Another category and a number, kid.
Articles for 300.
Articles for 300. All right. This article is used to describe fruits.
Peel? Vietnam peel?
So
What
then,
is peel?
no, fruit is peel. So you said it. The
No.
article. Yes, that's correct. Sorry, guys. I just, he did say it. So.
Yeah, it counts. It's like a partial.
It's hard to say without saying it in a sentence. It's almost one of those, you know.
Yeah, it's one of those things.
Yeah, it's one of those things. Yes, that's the articles, Mom. Good job. All right, kid.
Okay, articles for 200.
All right, cleaning up the articles. This is used to describe a four-legged animal.
What is Tao?
That is correct. What is thou? Good job. All right. I don't know, kid.
All right. In-laws for 400.
In-laws for 400. As a husband, what do you call your wife's mom?
Ma Tia. Who is Ma Tia?
That is correct. All right, kid.
Okay. Body parts for 300.
Body parts for 300. How do you say heart in Mien?
What is Bazoo?
That is correct. What is Batu? Okay.
Okay, let me see. In-laws for 300.
In-laws for 300. As a wife, my husband's younger sister.
Who is Zia?
That's incorrect. Michael or Alexis?
I'll give Alexis a chance here.
No, you can go ahead, Michael. I'm not coming back from where I
What was the point? It was 300. Oh boy, as
Yeah,
a
300.
as a wife, it's my husband's younger sister.
So what does your wife call your younger sister?
Oh, okay. Okay, I get this one now.
Oh man, what would you even say? I'm thinking, cause
All right,
I was gonna say Zia, and Kid already said that, so that ain't it. What's it?
What is another word to describe a younger sister?
I don't know of a younger. I only know one other one that I call, so I would say female. Mua.
That's correct. Who is?
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, you're in the positive. All right, Michael, take it away.
Numbers for 200.
Numbers for 200. How do you say 223 in Mien?
All right. What is Ni Bet Ni Zi Fam?
That is correct. Need bet, need to farm. Okay.
All right. Numbers for 300.
Numbers for 300. How do you say 531 in Mien?
What is Mbe Fa Zi Yet?
That is correct. Bet, yet. Okay. Three questions left.
Body parts for 200, please.
Body parts for 200. How do you say stomach in Mien?
What is Kasia?
That is correct. What is Cassia? Okay.
All right. Immediate family for 200, please.
Immediate family for 200. As a girl, what do you call your older brother?
Older brother. What is Gol?
That is correct. What is Gol? Or who is Gol? All right. The last question. Not quite. We still have the final Jeopardy after this.
Okay.
As a girl, my younger sister.
What is Zia?
That is correct.
Whew.
All right. Okay, so I'm gonna stop my screen share real quick so I can pull up Final Jeopardy. Get your pen and paper ready. And let me get this up real quick. Okay. Okay, Final Jeopardy. Are you guys ready? Got your pen and paper?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Category is Mien. So you have 30 seconds. Starting now. And then viewers, if you want to help your player win, this is a great opportunity to start typing those letters in the chat boxes.
10,000 points for each one you get right.
Ooh.
You get 10,000 points for each one you get right.
Wow, we've got 20 viewers on right now.
Awesome.
6 million tons.
Yeah, I don't even know all the towns.
All right.
This is tough.
Oh, I accidentally put it for 30 minutes, not 30 seconds. Okay, I think 30 seconds is up, you guys. Okay, we start with Kid. Kid, okay, you forgot to tell you guys, how much did you wager? Put the answer and how much you wager. So, it'll either double.
I don't have any.
So
So,
it's 100, and I don't know the answer.
100.
Guessing.
I like that, Kid. 100 and you don't know the answer. Okay. All
Yes.
right. So how about, you still wager something. What did you wager?
100.
100 points. Okay. All right. So that'll drop you down. I'll show the score after this. Okay. And Michael, show us your answer.
Okay, I don't really understand what the million tones are or where we're going for, so I just put a bunch of stuff. So my wager is 4,000, and I put Y, X, H, and B for like the tone types. But I also thought about like if you were to pronounce it, kind of like Chinese, there's flat, like the word ma, that's for your mom. If you say ma, that'd be for horse. So I thought of it that way. I don't know if that's even correct, but
Okay, you're on the right track. You're on the right track there. So on the tail end there, what are the letters that you listed? I
what?
can't really see.
Okay,
but I
sure.
can see your answer.
So I put Y, X, N, M, and B.
Okay. All right. And how much did you wager?
4,000.
4,000.
I gotta come at kid with everything.
Okay. And then I will reveal the answer. I'll go through Alexis and then we'll do the final scoring. Okay, Alexis.
This will be quick. This will be quick. Again, please don't come for me. This is my answer. I'm giving you $1 for it.
All right. I'm guessing you wagered. I don't know.
Well, I did put $1.
Points for art history.
All right. Okay, you guys ready for the answer? It is. I don't know if you can see this. How do I minimize this? Okay, it is an unmarked sound, which Michael was saying was like ma. That'd be no tone at the end. So you have your C tone, H tone, B tone, X tone, and a Z tone.
So
Can you give us an
So I got two?
example?
I got two.
I think Michael might have actually won that one.
Ooh.
What? You didn't get it all right. We will have our viewers vote to see if you should get it. Yes, I can give you an example. Let me pull up some slides from our class and I'll show you an example of that. Good job, Michael. You got 2 out of 6.
That was such a wild guess too.
We have 1,000.
We have 1,000.
That's 4,000s each, right? I think Ganya, you said 4,000. You said it was a point each for each one?
No, it's just one wager for one whole game. So it's either you get that 4,000 or you lose that 4,000 for the whole.
Oh, I got you. Okay. I
We have
think
2,000.
one of our viewers here agrees with this right here. It says Tiffany. Say hi, Tiffany. You agree that Michael should get it? I agree. That was really hard.
We divide the 4,000 by 6.
Oh, is that what happens?
So there you go.
How many did Michael get on there?
I
So,
We
Jeopardy,
got 2 out of 6.
I gotta reduce kids 100.
Give Michael a 4,000 each one he got right.
Is
Let's
it
see where we're at.
4,300. If he wagers the 4,000, he wagers 4,000, and if everyone agrees to give him the 4,000, then that would make Michael the winner.
Let's give it to the viewers to vote, guys. How about that?
Yeah. Okay, we'll give it to the viewers to vote.
Guys, cast your vote. Do you think I should get it or no? Be honest. Let's be fair.
Michael got 2 out of the 6.
Partial credits. Partial credits.
Partial credits. Or are we voting for partial credits? Are we gonna give him
What do you guys think?
1,000 for each one.
500 or no? I don't know.
Yep. So I have 2 letters. I have X and H. Was there Y also? Wasn't sure.
There's a Y, but then there's no Y.
There's no Y.
There's no Y in the tone.
Okay. So I got H and X on here.
Okay, Michael, you get 2,000 points.
2,000 each.
1,000 each.
1,000 each. Okay. Sounds fair. We'll go with that.
1,000 for each. So that's a total of 2,000, right? You gain 2,000.
Okay. Awesome. How do we settle the score? How do we even it out?
Tell about that.
Yes, I like
Buy
that.
me, you know, like clown pin, and then I'll give you another 500.
So it looks like only a few people logged in early enough to vote, and every player got 1 vote. So I think we had someone vote for Michael, someone vote for Kid, and someone vote for Alexis. So, hey Michael, since you have 2 prizes, we do this. Let's give the winner who voted for Kid his prize, and then anyone that's commenting in our comments, we'll raffle and see who wins the other tumbler stuff.
Sounds good.
Nice.
Yeah, we appreciate everyone for joining us tonight. And just to let everyone know, our big day of giving is still going on. It's going on until midnight. There's another competition at the end of midnight between 11:51 p.m. and midnight. They're going to do a drawing for anyone that donates during that time frame to give the nonprofit organization a chance to win $3,000. So if you haven't voted yet or you haven't donated yet and you want to wait, you can wait during that time period as well. If you've already donated, you can still go in and make a small contribution during that time frame to give us a chance to win $3,000. So we really appreciate everyone that's been going through throughout the day. on 10.
Yep.
Michael, you guys want to say anything?
Yeah. So how do we want to go ahead and give out the winner here?
Yes. Okay. So, I believe the person that voted for King
I think
was.
the audio is cut out. I think someone texted so the audio is cut out. The last 2 minutes.
Okay, that works.
All right.
All right. Thank you guys so much for taking your time to help promote this big.
All right, wonderful. And then, guys, I'll be contacting you on a follow up on how you can get your hands on one of these prizes. We'll be selling these on our website soon. These are 20-ounce like Yeti quality tumblers. They're double walled, super high quality, and it'll keep your drink super cold. So, be on the lookout for that. And one last thing.
Michael, I'll be reaching out to you.
And guys, we're gonna be hosting our own first content creator meet. So if you create TikTok videos and YouTubes, join us tonight at 7 p.m. It's a free event. It's a Zoom call. We're going to be sharing a lot of stuff on how you can grow your brand and monetize and make money online. So if you want to invite for that, just reach out to me directly and I can let you know more. Thanks for having us.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.